Okay, not the situation like that. You just pour the water from the bottle and thereafter you just put the glass. Is not it? So this is the procedure. First you put your bottle glass and thereafter you have to power it by water. Okay. So after that list I plus 1. So what is the condition? Condition is that it is till, what is the condition you can see here. So I will reach till pause minus 1. Okay. After that it will not work. So loop, within the loop I less than equals to pause or less than pause minus 1, whatever. So I just write here I less than equals to pause. So if the pause is 2, so we have to reach till the pause minus 1, that is 1. So that means I less than equals to pause minus 1. Okay. So this is our condition. So after that when I come or I cross the pause minus 1 right now, the pause minus 1 is 1 and I is cross that pause minus 1 position, that is pause minus 1. Then we assign the item into I plus 1 position. Because I is in 0th position, we have to insert that 4 into I plus 1 position, that is 1 position. Okay, pause minus 1 position. So list I plus 1 equals to item. So after that, when we insert, we finally successfully, when we insert the new element, now what is the length of the list? Before this insertion, the length of the list was 5, but after insert this 4, the list have 6 element, so the length of the list should be increased. Otherwise, it will print only 5 element, because in display function we will print from I0 to less than n. Okay, so that is why we should increase the value of n every time when we insert one element. Semicolon, save. So now, right now, if we, for this is the function we have completed, and thereafter the rest two functions are, or the rest two options are search option and delete option. Okay. So now we go to the search option. So to delete one element, before to delete, we have to search that element is already available or not. If the element or item is available within the list, so search function return the position and we go to the directly that position and delete that element. Okay. So that is why search is whatever the code of search that we use into delete function also. So that is why uh, we implement this search like that. First of all, in search function or search operation, that is press 4, in case 4, printf enter the number to be searched. Okay. Then scanf %d and %item. So item is stored into the item variable. Item is the local variable of main function. And now pos is another local variable of main function, and search function call, and within search function we send this item value, item or the value, and after the function completed, whatever the value is available or not, whatever the situation, search will return a integer value, and that is assigned into pos. Okay, so we just go first into search function. So the signature of search function is int, that is the return type. Search, search is the name of the function, and within function we send one integer value, so int, suppose item. Okay, this item is the local variable of search. Enter. So first of all you have to check the list is created or not, so that is why we just uh, copy this handling, code of handling, that is, if the list is not created, so search is unnecessary, so we just save it. And if the list is created, so we need some variables like to visit throughout the list. We need integer I, so I is always required. Okay, and pos is another variable we need. Maybe we need or whatever. Right now only I is enough. Okay, so now we visit throughout the list by for loop. So for I equals to 0, semicolon, I less n, semicolon, I plus plus. And now we have to compare with item that is coming from the main function and hold by this item variable. So we have to compare with item and the list every room value. So if list I, that means I positions value, equals to item, okay, if list I equals to item, so the item is available, and what is the position, that is I. Okay, so that time we have to return return I. So this I always, the value of I is 0 to less n. Okay, that means the value of I is less than n if the item is available within the list. Otherwise, otherwise, if the I, if the item is not available, if the item is so if the item is not matched with the any value of the list, so the if is not satisfied. So after the for loop, here also we return the value of I, but this value of I is same of n because the condition I less than n, this will satisfy when the loop is satisfied when I is less than n. So when it is not satisfied, when the value of I is same of n. So when it is not satisfied, after the loop it will return the value of I. So this I means the value of I is same of n. Okay, now I come back here, the main function, and check. So that I is written by this function and stored into pos. Okay, so here we check if pos equals to n, or so if pos equals to n, the item is not found. Okay, or if pos is less than n within printf within double quote backslash n, the percent d, that is the item, is found at position percent d, comma pos. But this pos hold the value of I, and I will start from the 0. Suppose the first room, if we go to the search function, suppose the first time the element is matched with the first value of array, the list. Okay, so what is the position? Position is 0. Okay, so 0 is written from this, and now pause, hold this 0 and print, that is the item that is print over the percentage